All right, going in 3, 2, 1. Hey everybody, welcome back to Zach Talks Tech, where it's about the community, engagement, and conversation we're having here about the tech that you love. Welcome to part 2 of the studio makeover. Now, during part 1, you guys got to see me clean up the couch area, clean up basically the mess that was in here. We moved some things out, we set up the anthro desk, and I'm gonna make sure I give you guys a full tour. But today's job is to get that red couch in. So I'm gonna give you guys just a quick view here. I've got the old unboxing desk right here that we are gonna be moving out, and I have a different new unboxing desk area, something for B-roll and whatnot that I'll be basically putting here. B-roll and everything. I got some fancy lights and lamps and fake plants and things like that that I'll be putting on there. And then over here in this corner, this is where that red couch is gonna go, okay? A bunch of other things as well that we need to move out of here and basically clean up the area to, you know, so we can work with it and everything. So come along, let's do this. Okay, so you can see that we've moved the trunk out of the way. I've done some vacuuming. The space is all ready to go here for the couch. I'm just gonna go to the opposite end of the room here. And you can see how everything has kind of migrated its way over to this side of the room. But that's just until we get the couch in here, and then we can organize things into the drawers and the, you know, the different areas. And you can see that's where I decided to put the blue trunk. It's an old school trunk here from my family. All right, going into the den area here, you can see I've got these Star Wars posters here, putting up in the room eventually. But here is the red couch. And there is my lightsaber collection. We will also be mounting those to the wall as well. It's gonna add for some great background detail and just really, really cool. Let's go ahead and get this couch taken apart and move it into the studio. You can see here that the couch comes apart in 3 pieces. It's kind of interesting because it's just basically these 3 bolts right here that hold on to this part right here. And then this is the slide out part. We're just gonna haul these pieces now into the studio area and put it all back together. You can see here we got the red couch in here. It's all set up. I've got these great recycle bin pillows here. I'll leave a link down in the description there where you can pick up one for yourself. And yeah, I think the blue and the black goes there with the red. I put this blanket on here because, well, my cat is probably gonna be spending a lot of time in here. I've already started moving things off of the old unboxing desk here. And this is where I'm gonna be setting up the new B-roll desk. Let's get to it. All right, so I've moved everything from the old unboxing desk there onto the couch temporarily. Over here, this is where the new B-roll desk will be going. It's basically it's a countertop that we got from IKEA and 2 different drawers. The Alex drawers there. So there's 6 different drawers. There'll be 2 of these, one on either side. And then the desk will go on top, or the top right here will go on top. This right here is the Lin Namon top. And this particular color right here, it's like a sandy kind of light color there. It'll look really good on camera. So I'm gonna get these drawers put together, and then we'll put the top on. And there is the new B-roll area. I'll also use it for unboxings as well. And basically we got 2 of these Alex drawer pieces here, and then this you know, laminate top here is on top. I'm probably gonna pull the drawers out a little bit more and make it a little more even on the back and the front, but that's how it looks. And now I'm gonna decorate it up. You guys can see here I've already got some things on the new B-roll desk here. Got plenty of fake plants here from IKEA. That's a lamp over there. And yeah, just as you guys can see here, I'm getting set up to film a bunch of things, and give you guys a closer look here in a bit. To complement my standing desk, I also reached out to AnthroDesk, and they gave me a good deal on this right here. This is a wobble chair, and it basically comes in 4 pieces. You have your base down there, then you have the gasket spring, that black piece you kind of see in the middle there, which is the cover, and of course the seat right here. Puts together really, really quickly, really, really fast, and basically it forces you to basically sit upright when you're using your standing desk to basically use your core. It's a healthier way to sit. I won't be using this the whole time. So big thanks to Anthrodesk. This was really easy to put together and I'm looking forward to using it. On my desk here, guys, I decided to do a little upgrade. Before I was using the Magic Keyboard here from Apple. Now I'm using the Logitech K811 keyboard. It's just smaller, it's going to take up less room. I don't need the number key pad that's on the Magic Keyboard. This is a lot smaller, a lot more minimalistic, and I kind of dig the color. And also it's backlit as well, so I'm looking forward to using this. It is Bluetooth connected there. And I also picked up this new chair right here from AK Racing. Basically, it's a gaming chair, but I needed something super comfortable that was nice and big with adjustable arms and everything. Looks really good. This is the AK Racing Max chair. Nice big, seat here, adjustable up and down. These arms move in and out, this way, up and down the whole bit. You got adjustable lumbar support here. Of course, you've got the head support here, and it does lean all the way back. And I think PewDiePie would approve, so pretty happy about that. Plus it looks really cool. And up here on the wall, you guys can see I've got my lightsabers all set up. I'll show you guys what these look like when it's all lit up. So if you've been following me over on IGTV, you've seen a lot of other changes as well. A lot of behind the scenes and how I've been putting different things up and setting things up around here. So anyway, are you guys ready for the final reveal? Here we go. Guys think that's what I've been working on. That's what's been taking so long here. So I'm finally done it. This is the new studio / guest room, and yeah, this is just my creative area. So that's something I wanted to point out really quick, that I did this largely for myself so that I would have a place to go, a centralized place basically to work on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, whatever it is. Creative process, things that I'm doing for ZAKtalksTECH. By all means, if you're a small creator, if you're getting into this, you don't need to do this. You do not. I know plenty of creators out there that use, the corner of the house with some basic lights and a mirror, and they bring out awesome content. I did this for myself and just part of my process and part of my growth and whatnot. So hopefully this has inspired you. And if you have any questions about things you saw or any suggestions, anything like that, please let me know. Put it down in the description there. We'll continue the conversation. And I'm really looking forward to kind of taking this next step in ZAKtalksTECH and bringing you guys some great reviews and you know, and just talking tech and having fun with this, because at the end of the day, that's what it needs to be. It just needs to be fun, because honestly, as my good friend John Prosser would say, none of this is going to matter in a year. It's all going to change. So anyway, if you guys like the content here, hit the thumbs up button. Would appreciate it. Think about hitting the subscribe button as well, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.